Hi, Pam here of PamelaSaputo.com. How are you doing? I hope that you are having a great time. Today, we are going to do an honest review of DigiProduct Lab. Okay? Okay, here's the sales page of the DigiProduct Lab. When you click on the link, this is where you're going to land. It says create highly profitable ebooks and digital products with zero effort in less than 60 seconds. This is really easy and it's perfect for newbies and non-technical people like me. See, it says you can do this in 3 steps. Sorry, you log into the members area, you create your product and then publish it. Okay. So this is what you're going to see when you click on the link for DigiProduct Lab. And it comes with, it's a really good sales page, and it works in 3 steps. You select a topic for your ebook, you create it in 60 seconds flat, depends on what kind of editing that you want to do, and you monetize it. Again, we are doing an honest review of DigiProduct Lab so that you would know if it is a good fit for you or not. Earlier, we've seen the sales page. Later on, I'll let you know about the bonuses that you will be getting if you buy through my link. And at the end, I'll show you a demo of how the product works. DigiProduct Lab is a cloud-based app that creates highly profitable ebooks and other digital products such as reports in minutes. It's really fast and easy. It has a lot of features and options for you in creating your own product. You can create your own eBooks, eCovers, and even landing pages. So what's good about the DigiProduct Lab? Number one, it's newbie friendly. It is very easy to use, good for those that are not techie like me. It is a point and click system that generates 100% unique articles. It's super fast. You can create your own product in less than 16 minutes. You can create different products such as ebooks, PDF, reports, and lead magnets. As you know, lead magnets are the things or stuff that you give as a freebie to grow your list, something like that. Products may be used as lead magnets or sold for profit. Legally draw contents from a library of over 250,000 PLR articles, so you never have to write your own contents again. And lastly, you get to save a lot of money paying copywriters. DigiProduct Lab works in 3 simple steps. You find an article, you customize your ebook, and then voila, you publish your product. All of this in just under a minute. Well, it depends on how. All of this super fast. So, is there something about DigiProduct Lab that I don't like? The only thing that I don't like about DigiProduct is not the product itself. I really like the product. It's the absels. There's a lot of absels. But remember, you do not have to buy those if you're not ready for it. You can buy them later on. Or if you don't need it, you don't have to buy it. Remember, only buy products that you will use or that you don't, or that you like. Don't buy it and let it collect dust. Okay, I hope this helps, and we will go to the bonuses now. Okay, when you buy DigiProduct Lab using my link, these are all the things that you're going to get. The Profit Factory, the Squeeze Page Breakthrough, Blogging and Traffic Primer, the Secret Weapon, 0 to 100 in 24 hours, List Building on Steroids, 0-hour workdays, effortless Facebook profits, free traffic frenzy, Bing ad scores. All of this product will be able to help you make use of DigiProduct Lab better. Thank you for listening, and I hope you'll have a great day.